Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, let's see how to change the bulb inside of a Singer refrigerator. Let's see how to replace the bulb in a Singer Geo 260NF no frost refrigerator. Open the door to check if it does not light up. Then let's disconnect the power. The bulb is located under the temperature unit. After taking this tray out, it's easy to remove the bulb. There is a plastic cover. First, remove it. It's easy to remove by pressing the top like this. Unscrew it, then let's replace the default bulb with a new one. As it's a threaded bulb, tighten it carefully. Next, replace the plastic cover. First, insert these two clips into their sockets and press the cover gently. Then slip in this tray, reconnect the power and check if the bulb lights up.